All right, let's talk about 2025 and what are the projections and what are we expecting, right? So let's talk about a few different things. Inventory, mortgage rates, and how this is going to project in 2025. Well, first thing here, 15% more listings this year than last year. So it's a good sign in the right direction, right? It means more sellers are willing to get out there, put the houses on the market, and give buyers more options to look at, right? Which is really, really good, right? You know, you basically are gonna have options now compared to the last, 2, 3, 4, 5 years where you were just trying to get in the market. Forecast for appreciation, let's talk about that, right? There's over 15 different companies here that put their forecast in, right? -2 being the worst, 5.5% being the best, but the average between all of them is right at 3%, right? So is that 10, 15, 20% we saw during COVID years? No, but 3% appreciation as a nation is a healthy real estate market, right? And usually between 3 to 8% is pretty normal, right? Give or take. Now remember, every area is different. You might have areas like Florida or Texas or Arizona and things like that that might not appreciate as much, but you have places out here that we're still seeing a good amount of appreciation due to the jobs in California, right? So it all just depends. So look, you look at appreciation as a couple things. One, it's what happens year over year, but just like anything, like a stock, until you sell it, it doesn't matter one way or the other. Two, you're making a mortgage principal reduction payment, which is lowering your balance. Yes, every baby boomer who bought a house that's paid free and clear, but they ask them if they would do it again, they would say yes, twice on Sunday. So that's one of the reasons why you buy the property. So appreciation is going to go up, inventory is going to go up, but here's the positive. Rates are looking to come down. As you look at all the experts here, you're looking in between 6 and 6.5, give or take, at the end of this year. Right now, we're very close to getting to that area right now at 6.5, right? So if we keep the momentum going, we're only in the first quarter of 2025, where will we might end up at the end of the year? High fives, mid fives, possibility, right? Can we get there? Sure. Are we? Nobody knows yet, right? But the reality of it is rates are coming down, which means affordability is coming in. And as you know, every 1% of interest rate goes down, 5 million buyers are coming in the market. So there's a catch-22. You don't want to be on the other side where rates go down to 5.5 and now you're getting pre-approved and there's already 5 million buyers back in the market and now you have more competition and rates and then your home prices are going up. So you got to make sure everybody's timing is right and it makes financial sense. So if you think about buying a house in 2025, reach out to us. Our team is here to help you. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data. You just got to bring the decision.